Welcome back to another video, and this is not the usual video I usually post. And in this video, we're gonna interview Andre, which he has been working with me for past few months now. And after lots of struggle, he started closing some clients. And in this video, I'm not gonna go deep into all the technical stuff on how to get clients. It's all about the mindset. And Andre is gonna let you know, guys, like how he ended up closing 3.5K on installation fee and 340 on monthly recurring revenue, and he almost made 6,000 with this strategy. And I want him to explain you what goes inside your head if you want to do this in your own agency. Andre, take the show.
Yeah, so that's right. So 18 goes later, I closed clients. Now, I'm not the best storyteller in the world or the best motivational speaker, but this is just my experience of what I went through. So I was not in the best financial position back then. And I really wanted some clients. I was working as well. Now, while I was working, I think I might have taken it too far, but this is just my experience. I was texting clients, right? So I would go to the bathroom at work and text clients while I was in the bathroom, set up meetings. After work, I would have been so tired, and I would have just jumped in a meeting with them and try to close them. Now, what happened here is 18 people ghosted me. So I set up 18 meetings. And 18 people ghosted me. I did want to give up, but I didn't, right?
So as you can see, it's not just about like doing the outreach and getting the booked meetings. You have to show up every single time, even if you are not seeing any results. Andre has a job, and on top of it, he's doing the outreach. And while he was in his job, he was going for a break and setting up the meeting, even though he's getting ghosted. And he still showed up the next day and kept on doing the same thing. And that's the problem with lots of you guys. You guys who usually comment on the videos or sending me DMs talking about this doesn't work, I don't really get any clients. The fact is, you don't really want this really bad. Andre wanted it. And the week before he started getting clients, I actually had a conversation with him. I can feel it in his voice. He was just, bro, I can't really go on like this. I need to get some clients. And that's the thing. That's the thing which is separating Andre from you guys. He actually wanted to get clients, and he showed up every single day, and he started doing the outreach, and he started going to the meetings. And even if no one's showing up, he kept on going. And only then he started closing all those clients and he started making all those money. And that's what I want you guys to do it. Yeah, I'm not going to go technical how he's getting clients and what the outreach strategies are. I've already made lots of videos, and if you want those in-depth strategies, you can click the link in the description, join the community. But the point of this video is I want Andre to let you guys know that what it means or what it takes to get clients in your business. It's not just about web design. It can be any of your businesses. If you're, for example, if you can do any of your business, if you can't get clients, even if you are a better web designer than me. But the fact that me and Andre are doing the outreach and getting clients, that's the only reason we are making money, and you're just making excuses. And Andre, do you want to mention anything else?
Yeah, I mean, he's completely right. You do have to put in a lot of work. Like I said, I also took a lot of time for each client. So it wasn't just meeting set. I also put a lot of effort as well into those meetings, and it took me a lot of time. So even sometimes I would wake up early in the morning and complete what was going to happen in the meeting, set the meeting, and then they wouldn't show up. And it was tough. But you just kind of have to remember it's a numbers game. And after that, it was just, since it's a numbers game, I was more likely to close more people. So, and after the 18, I closed one, I closed another, And then a week after, I closed another 2 more. So it's a numbers game for sure. And you do have to put in the work and effort. So at the time, it was very demotivating because you were putting a lot of effort into it. And yeah, it was a tough time for sure. But you just have to keep going. It's a mindset. Like, that's the only thing you got to think about. You got to want it bad. There's times where I wouldn't necessarily go and hang out with my friends. Instead, I would just go and do the work, and then the clients wouldn't show up. So that was pretty bad as well socially. But you got to be willing to do those sort of sacrifices in order to win sometimes. And that's what it's about. You got to want it bad. It all depends on how bad you really want it, right? Sure, the money sounds good. At the start, you're like, yeah, I'm going to make this money and this. But if you don't put in the work, then it's not going to happen. You have to put in work.
Exactly. And as you mentioned, you're going to lose friendship, you're going to lose relationship, because that's how much it takes to make money. You may be thinking making money online is easier. You'll be watching a couple of videos. People will be mentioning, you can make 10,000 in a week. It doesn't work like that. You have to know what it takes to make those money. And yeah, it's going to be depressing. It's going to be really hard. The days you actually show up and put lots of effort, and if you don't get any results, you have to keep on showing up. I know I may sound like a guru talking about mindset, but it is what it is. Your mind matters more. It doesn't matter if you have all the proper system, you're putting lots of money on ads. If you don't have the proper mindset of going all in on this business, you're not going to make any money, not just with the web design, with any business. All the businesses take the sales skill, and the only way the sales skills works for you is that you have to put in lots of numbers. It's just a number game. If you have this in your mind that you're going to get clients, if you have this much numbers, that's all you need to know. It's not about if, it's about when. If you start doing cold calling, like 50 to 70 cold calls, by end of the week, you're going to have at least 10 to 15 booked meetings. And the more booked meetings you have, the more clients you have. And the more clients you have, the more money you make. So everything comes under, as Andre mentioned, it's a number game. If you put lots of volume, you're going to see lots of results. Yes, there may be lots of no-shows, and there may be people who almost closed and don't want to pay the money just because they want to talk to their wife or talk to their girlfriend. Shit happens, but you keep on going. And that's how you make money with any business, not just with the web design. And yeah, I think that's all the things I wanted to mention. And do you want to mention anything for like any last notes for the video?
To be honest, you just gotta want it. That's literally it. Yeah, there will be sacrifices, and you have to make those sacrifices. Like before, I would say I used to have heaps of friends, heaps. And now I probably got 3 good friends that I would say that I talk to. And it's because it's time consuming. You got to set your priorities right. You got to know who are your actual friends that actually are helping you out in your life, and who are not really your friends, or just people that you know and you can talk to. You can still talk to them, text them, but you just got to be a bit selective. You got to like narrow down, see where you want to be at, and put your goals together, right? So got to get that right. That's the most important part.
Yes, and that's the last point even I wanted to make. Yes, you're not a boy anymore. You're a man. You have to take care of yourself, your family. For that, money is important. People may say money is not that important in your life. The truth is, without money, you can't do anything. And the only way you have to make money is to start something for yourself. If you stuck in 9 to 5, it's not 9 to 5 anymore. You have to wake up 6 in the morning, and when you come home, the whole day is gone. And if you want to get rid of this slavery and want to be your own boss and travel full time and have fun in your life, start something for yourself. And I'm pretty sure web design is the best place to start. And yeah, if you want to get some similar results, just like Andre did, you can click the first link in the description, book an onboarding call, and I can help you out. you can do it by yourself, but it makes sense to have someone to help you out in the beginning of the process where you don't know anything to do, what to do and what not to do. And that's all I wanted to mention. And thank you so much for Andrej for being in this video and giving the pep talk. I know it's it's the first time, and I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be the last time. Andrej will do his own stuff in the future as well. And all the best for all his future endeavors. And yeah, that's it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.